unraveling the greatest architectural mystery of all time, the construction of the pyramids of Egypt. These iconic structures, standing as eternal guardians of history, are more than just ancient tombs. They are colossal achievements of architectural brilliance and engineering. Rising majestically from the sands of Giza, the pyramids have captivated imaginations for millennia, embodying the grandeur and complexity of ancient Egyptian civilization. Who were the visionary architects behind these unparalleled wonders? How did they achieve such extraordinary precision and scale without the aid of modern technology? Today, we delve into both ancient historical records and the latest advancements in archaeological science to uncover the truth about Egypt's most enduring masterpiece. Join us as we peel back the layers of time, exploring the techniques, tools, and teeming workforce that brought the pyramids to life, revealing the secrets buried in the sands of history. The Great Pyramids of Giza aren't just ancient wonders. They stand as monumental testaments to mankind's ability to conquer the impossible. The largest of these, the Pyramid of Khufu, or the Great Pyramid, majestically rises over 480 feet into the sky, with its base covering a staggering 13 acres. Built over 4,500 years ago, this engineering marvel was achieved without the use of modern cranes, helicopters, or even steel tools, demonstrating remarkable ingenuity and resourcefulness. Each pyramid served as a tomb for the pharaohs who believed in the promise of eternal life, and they were intricately aligned with the stars above to ensure a safe journey to the afterlife. It's said that the positions of the pyramids mirror the alignment of the Orion's belt, reflecting their deep connection with the cosmos. Every inch of these structures is steeped in mystery, mathematics, and mythology, from the precise angle of their sides to the materials used in construction. Despite countless studies and theories, we still grapple with understanding the full extent of the methods used. The truth remains elusive, shrouded by the passage of millennia. What secrets might these ancient stones yet reveal? As we continue to explore and discover, each finding adds another layer to the rich tapestry of human history that the pyramids embody. The theories on how the pyramids were built are as complex as the structures themselves. For decades, researchers have debated the methods used to construct these ancient wonders. Some argue that the ramp theory holds the key, proposing that a long, straight ramp was used to drag the massive limestone blocks into position. This theory suggests that such ramps could have been built from earth and stone and extended for up to a mile, requiring an enormous amount of labor and material. Alternative versions of this theory suggest spiral or zigzagging ramps that hugged the pyramid's surface, allowing workers to maneuver the blocks up the sides gradually. While these methods seem plausible, they present significant challenges, including the sheer size and continuous upkeep of the ramps themselves, which would have needed to be dismantled as construction progressed upwards. Others point to the possibility of primitive crane-like levers that relied on counterweights to lift the blocks layer by layer. Despite the ingenuity of this idea, it lacks sufficient archaeological support, as no such devices have been unearthed in the vicinity of the pyramids. Such a method would require advanced engineering skills and resources that may not have been available at the time. Then there's the fascinating waterways theory, which suggests that the Nile River and an intricate network of canals were used to float the heavy stones closer to the construction zones. This theory is backed by historical accounts that hint at the use of large crews of laborers moving stones on sleds over wet, lubricated sand, which could significantly reduce friction and ease transportation. This method potentially solves much of the logistical puzzle by utilizing the natural landscape and climate of ancient Egypt. Despite these intriguing theories, none fully explain the awe-inspiring precision of the pyramid's final alignment and construction. The meticulousness with which these structures were erected, perfectly oriented to the cardinal points and incorporating incredibly tight stone joins, continues to baffle experts. The debate continues, with each new discovery adding another layer to our understanding of these ancient marvels. Today, modern science offers new perspectives on ancient methods that have long intrigued historians and engineers alike. Recent experiments have shed light on how ancient workers could have drastically reduced the friction involved in transporting massive stones by wetting the sand over which they were moved. This simple yet effective technique would have made it significantly easier to drag the stones used in monumental constructions like the pyramids. Additionally, there is another striking proposal that challenges traditional notions of pyramid construction: the possibility of cast limestone. According to this theory, certain massive stone blocks were not carved from quarries, but instead assembled from a reconstituted limestone slurry poured into molds on site. This method would have eliminated the need for transporting and lifting heavy stone blocks, suggesting a level of innovation and resourcefulness that offers a stunningly unique peek into ancient ingenuity. Though these findings are somewhat controversial and continue to spark debate among scholars, they add important chapters to our understanding of pyramid construction. By combining historical wonder with experimental science, these insights reveal that far more than brute force went into building these timeless marvels. Instead, they underscore a sophisticated understanding of materials and techniques that allowed ancient civilizations to construct structures that continue to captivate the modern world. Through insight from leading experts, we gain a deeper understanding of the pyramids, viewing them not as isolated architectural creations, but as monumental achievements from an era that continually pushed the boundaries of what humanity could accomplish. These ancient structures, standing the test of time, serve as a powerful reminder that the fusion of scientific innovation and spiritual inspiration can lead to the creation of wonders that endure for millennia. By examining the intricacies of their construction and the cultural significance they held, we appreciate the extraordinary human endeavor that went into their making. The story of the pyramids goes deeper than ramps or levers. It is a tale of human ingenuity, perseverance, and devotion. At its heart lies the dedication of tens of thousands of laborers who gave life to stone, transforming the ideals of their civilization into enduring monuments. Modern archaeological discoveries reveal that these workers were not slaves, as once thought, but rather skilled laborers who lived in temporary villages near the construction sites. They were well-fed, housed, and honored for their service, reflecting the value placed on their contributions. These were not just laborers, but families, artisans, and visionaries who believed their work linked the earthly with the divine. To them, the grandeur of the pyramids was not merely architectural, it was deeply spiritual, representing a sacred bridge to the afterlife and an everlasting testament to their gods and pharaohs. This collective effort and shared purpose forged a legacy that has fascinated humanity for millennia, marking a pinnacle of ancient Egyptian society. The pyramids are far more than mere tombs for ancient rulers. They are grand messages, testaments to our shared history, resilience, and the boundless potential of the human mind. These monumental structures remind us that humanity's greatest achievements arise from a collective vision and effort, showcasing our ability to work together towards extraordinary goals. Crafted from millions of blocks of stone, each weighing several tons, the pyramids were constructed with remarkable precision and alignment, feats that continue to baffle modern engineers and scientists. Yet, even after 4,500 years, they haven't revealed all their secrets. The question remains, how were these marvels truly built? Is it in our nature to seek answers, constantly driven by curiosity and a desire to uncover the unknown, or is the mystery itself an integral part of their eternal allure? These ancient wonders continue to inspire awe and fascination, drawing researchers and enthusiasts to explore the depths of their history and construction techniques. Share your theories below and join us in keeping the spirit of discovery alive as we delve into the mysteries of the pyramids and their enduring legacy.